When you try to make call or you want to dial a code in your mobile SIM, you will see message like this: mobile network not available, or mobile network not available on voice call. It is very irritating. In fact, you will think that they have blocked your SIM because that is what is happening now. But in today's video, I will be showing you how to fix that issue. It is a very minor issue. They haven't blocked your SIM. It's just a slight mistake that caused that from happening. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vitex Communication. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Sorry that I have not been posting video for a long time now. It's just because of some issue on ground. But I'm fully back with you. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to fix the mobile network not available in your mobile phone, especially when you want to make call or when you want to dial a code. I'll just show you in a very simple step. So guys, stick with me till the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So we are going to go into the business now. Just wait small. So after doing that, you can try it now. It will work as if it is a magic. So let's start for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like our video, hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video. As I've earlier said, I will show you how to fix mobile network not available in your mobile device. It is a very simple method. They haven't blocked your SIM. It's just a slight mistake. So let's hop into the screen. First of all, you go to your phone setting. After that, you click on the network connection. Yeah, I've clicked it. Then you come to SIM card and mobile network. You click it. Yes. After clicking it, you tap the affected SIM card. Mine is the Airtel. I've tapped it. Then you come to that automatically selected network. I've already switched my own. So if it is on before, normally it will be on before. So when you reach that point, you have to click it to off it. Yeah, they will show you some message here. I've off it, just allowing it to search. After searching, they will send me a message. Just wait. Just wait for it to load. Let's be waiting. Okay, you can choose your network band, either the 3G or the 4G. You just click it. It has said registered on network. So it's telling you that you can use the SIM to make call, to dial a code. So after doing the above setting, you just go to your phone and start making call. That is it.